Hello Radiants, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to do a blowout curls. Here are the tools I'm making use of: blow dryer, coiler, hot comb, wax stick, heat protectant, holding spray, clips, combs for parting and detangling. The first step is to spray heat protectant all over the hair. This is very important because it helps prevent the hair from heat damage while keeping it smooth and healthy. The next step, I blow dry the hair. When blow drying, always make sure your blow dryer is facing downwards as you comb through the hair. Your comb and your blow dryer should work together. While you are combing down the hair, your blow dryer should follow closely behind. These techniques help to smoothen the hair and reduce frizz. The next step is to flatten your closure, and to do this you have to work in smaller sections. First, section the hair you want to start with. Comb the hair through a little bit. Get your wax stick and apply it directly onto the hair. Use your hair clip to keep the remaining section in place. Place your hot comb directly on top of the hair and comb down. The hottest part of your hot comb is at the back, so as you comb down the hair, gently press the back of the hot comb against the hair. Ladies, this technique that I'm sharing with you today is the secret to achieving a super flat professional looking closure. So apply your wax stick. Place your hot comb directly on the hair, not on the closure. When you place your hot comb on your closure, you are going to burn it. Place your hot comb directly on top of the hair. Comb it down gently. Ensure that you are making use of the back of your closure because that is where the hottest part of it comes from. Now ladies, let's move on to the second part of today's video. This part I will be showing you the technique I use to achieve the perfect blowout curls. First, section your hair. Comb through the hair to make sure there is no tangles. For this look, we'll be going to use the reverse bombshell method. Here is how to do a reverse bombshell method. First, straighten your hair with your coiler 2 to 3 times. Turn the face of your coiler downwards. Open the clamp to place the hair underneath it and drag your coiler downwards. Flip your hair in the direction you want your coils to go. I'm starting on my left hand side, so my coils have to be flipped to the right. Then I turn my coiler upwards. Open the clamp to feed in more hair and drag the coiler downwards. Turn your coiler again downwards. Flip the hair to the direction you want it to go. Turn your coiler again. Open your clamp to feed in more hair. Drag down slowly. By dragging down, you are allowing the coiler to feed in more hair. Flip the hair in the direction you want it to go, which is the right that we are working on. Continue in this same movement till you are at the tip of the hair. As you are reaching the tip of the hair, ensure to leave a small amount of hair out. This is to enable the feeding hair to sit on the coiler while you are rolling all the hair up. After rolling up all the hair, hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. The longer you hold, the bouncier your coils. My clients want a loose coil, that is why I'm only doing 15 seconds to achieve the blowout coils. When you are ready to release, gently open the clamp and allow the coils to drop into your hand. Continue releasing the coils this way until the whole section is done. Next, spray your favorite holding spray onto the coils. Ensure to spray a bit far away from the hair in order for the hair not to freeze. Next, mold the coils back a little bit and clip it to the body of the hair. Place your clip underneath the coils to help hold the shape. And you should have something that looks like this. Let's repeat the same technique on the rest of the left side before moving to the right. Ladies, don't go anywhere. There's a trick to the right side I would like to show you.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret
Now for the right side, we are going to use the same technique we did on the left, but this time we are going to curl the hair towards the left. Turn your coiler downwards, place the hair inside and gently drag down to the middle of the hair. Flip the hair towards the left and roll your coiler up. Open the clamp to feed in more hair. Drag down, roll your coiler again. Flip the hair to the left, roll your coiler up, open the clamp to feed in more hair and drag down. Open your clamp to feed in more hair. Continue feeding the hair into the coiler until you reach the ends of the hair. Ladies, ensure to leave a little bit of hair out, then roll the section up and hold for about 15 seconds before you release. To release the curls, open your clamp and gently let the curls fall into your palm. Use your other hand to mold the hair back into the curls a little bit, then get your holding spray and spray the curls from afar. Gently roll the hair up a little bit in order for the curls to sit in a nice position and clip the curls back into the body of the hair. To do that, place your clip underneath the curls and clip them together. Now let's move on to the closure area. For the closure area, we are following the same technique, but the only thing you need to bear in mind is that your coiler is facing upwards, which means your barrel of your coiler has to face upwards, not downwards like the way I've been doing at the back. You can see what I did here. My barrel is facing upwards and I'm going to follow the same flipping method. I am on my right hand side, so I'm going to flip the hair to the left, but my barrel is facing upward. This is to ensure that we are coiling away from the face. These techniques help you to have a beautiful soft frame area on your face. And that's basically it, ladies. This is what you should have. Now that I'm done, I'm going to spray the hair all over again just to seal in the curls, and for more shine, I'm going to be spraying my argan oil all over the hair. This is to just give a final look and to ensure that my curls shines and fall out very well. So sit back, ladies. The next day where I will show you how I remove my clips. After removing the clip and releasing the curls, you will notice that the curls fall in the same direction that I flip the hair while curling it. It is very important to pay attention to the direction you flip your hair while curling, because your curl will naturally follow that direction when you release it. The next thing I do after releasing the curls is to flatten the top part of the hair. This is to ensure that the wig doesn't look bulky when my client is wearing it. If you want to learn how to revamp your wig and style your wig like a professional in the comfort of your home, kindly do check out my previous videos. In those videos, I show you step by step how to blow dry, straighten, properly lay your closure wig for a flawless look. And please do not forget to like this video. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, my name is Mariam. Welcome to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving, turn up your notification bell, and share today's tutorial with someone that you know that is in need of it. Thank you so much for doing so for me. Also, are you based in the UK and you do not have the time to revamp your wig by yourself? Feel free to get in touch with me. Booking and walk-in section is now available. And ladies, that brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure you follow all the tips I have shared in this tutorial, and you too will be able to achieve these beautiful soft and bouncy blowout curls. Also remember, take your time, use less tension, and make sure you walk in a large session. Blowout curls are not meant to be tight curls. They are supposed to be soft, loose, and full of movement. Blowout curls can sometimes be called loose curls. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in our next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.